In this video, you'll learn how to sell cryptocurrency instantly using MoonPay. By following these steps, you will be able to convert your digital assets into cash quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the MoonPay website. You can recognize the site by its clean interface and clear options for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once the page loads, locate and click on the button labeled Sell. This option is typically positioned prominently on the home page. After selecting this, you will be directed to a new page specifically for selling cryptocurrency. Next, click on the button that says Sell Crypto. This action will take you to the section where you can initiate the selling process. You should see a message that reads, "Well, Kate, sell your crypto for cash," in a flash. This confirms that you are in the correct area to proceed with your transaction. After confirming your location, you will need to type in the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Ensure that you're aware of the current market value and your holdings before entering any figures. It's essential to consider that large amounts may affect transaction fees and processing times. Once you have entered the desired amount, click on the button labeled Review Order. This step allows you to verify the details of your transaction, including the amount of cash you will receive and any applicable fees. Take a moment to confirm that everything is correct before moving forward. The final step in the process is to click on the button that says Sell. After this action, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your order has been successfully placed. Depending on your internet speed and the current network load, this may take a moment to process. Throughout this process, keep in mind the size of your transaction, as larger amounts may take longer to process. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover any fees associated with the sale. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and ensure that you are logged into your MoonPay account correctly. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.